Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daydran. Downtown Kingston receives beautification project from the government of Colombia in collaboration with Kingston Creative. Adding to the beautification of downtown Kingston is a mural titled A Home Called Love, a symbol of sisterhood between the two countries, deepening its relation with local stakeholders. Commissioned by Colombian artist Tota Art and local muralist Yanku Yip, the mural aims to deliver a message of home.
During our bilateral relationship, we have shown that we are sharing a lot of things in commerce, in culture, in agriculture, and a lot of things. So this is the demonstration of it, our mural.
Yip also explained the elements of the mural and the integral role they played.
The side to the right was designed by Tota, which is a Colombian artist. The female there hugging the birdhouse. It's symbolic of home, and home being integral. The side to the left is, my contribution. Some elements from our island. We have the hibiscus plant along with a sunset scene, and this is actually the Jamaican toady.
Now Shaggy announces a new radio program. The Grammy Award-winning reggae icon is launching an exclusive year-round Sirius XM channel, Shaggy's Bombastic Radio, which features his favorite reggae, dancehall, and Afrobeats music. The channel is available to subscribers on Sirius XM app. Shaggy's Bombastic Radio invites listeners to immerse themselves in the sounds of the genres. The channel features songs from Sean Paul to Lady Saw, Wizkid, and Burna Boy, celebrating the rich musical traditions of the Caribbean and Africa. Shaggy's Yard, his current show, will now regularly air on Shaggy's Bombastic Radio, taking listeners on a cultural journey with a mix of rare and classic tracks from hip-hop, dancehall, and reggae genres. Daddy Yankee, reggae luminaires Buju Banton and Shabba Ranks featured on the Book of Clarence soundtrack Hallelujah Heaven. The film, which is inspired by vintage Hollywood epics set in biblical periods, depicts the story of Clarence, down on his luck, a Jerusalemite who foolishly attempts to profit off the Messiah's increasing fame and power for his own gain. He embarks on a trip that takes him on an investigation into the concept of faith and down an unanticipated road of his own. British filmmaker James Samuel described working with Buju and Shabba on the soundtrack as dope and awesome.
All praises to the Most High, Savior divine. God give me the strength, give him the glory, shouting hallelujah. Glory, glory.
That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daydran. Thank you for watching.